we're at the RIU Palace Las Americas. It looks so elegant, eh? Like just like all the detailing around the edges and the balconies and such. All right, let's head in. All right, let's head inside. Hello. Ooh, wow. Holy cow. Mona, first impressions, go.
I love the view, it's beautiful.
Where?
It's right outside.
I missed it. Okay, I gotta go check it out. Be right back. Whoa, yeah, you can see right outside into the ocean. They have an infinity pool. I think it's a fountain actually. And you go straight out to the ocean. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Hola! Okay, so this is Lounge 24. This would be like their equivalent to a sports bar. So same things here. You got the computers and then a buffet. Oh, and they have coffee. Oh wow, this looks so different. It's so much more like a cozy, comfy vibe. This is the lobby bar. What is the difference between theirs and ours? This like inside was more like cozy and airy in the Lounge 24. Yeah. Compared to our sports bar, which is more like obviously sports theme. This is more like luxury, wooden, library-ish look.
Very old school vibes.
Yeah, old and like colonial almost, eh? It's cool. I like it though. Yeah, but it's definitely much darker in here, eh? Nice. Hola. Cheers. All right, so we just finished our espressos in the lobby bar, and we're gonna take a look outside at the pools. Cool. It's nice. Wow.
I just love these like columns.
Yeah. It reminds me of RIU Palace in Playa del Carmen, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Mona, I found the a la carte. So the a la cartes are outside from the lobby, turn right, and here they are. So they have similar ones like we do back at Peninsula. They have Cristal. Just want to see if they have the same menu. Yeah, same. Same menus as Peninsula. And then over here they have a Mexican restaurant called Fiesta Mexicana. And then some really nice outdoor seating as well. And then the Japanese restaurant, Sakura. Oh, so this outdoor one is the steakhouse. Here's the steakhouse menu. I am pretty sure this one is the same menu as ours as well, back at Peninsula. It looks like this is the main buffet here. So continuing down the corridor, walking towards the beach, there's more outdoor seating. I think I found the main pool. So this would be the main pool here. See everyone relaxing. They have a really neat infinity edge pool here, or infinity edge that looks out onto the ocean. That's really neat there. Lots of people hanging out. And they got two bars here. They have this one called Can, and over here they have Kun. So looking from the pool bar around the corner here, this is the restaurant we saw earlier. And then this is where the buffet would be over here. So let's head inside there. Ah, okay, cool. Yeah, so they have their own separate room for the buffet, where they have, I would say, pretty much the same stuff we have back at Peninsula. Pastas, meats, vegetables, some pizzas, more vegetables, rice, some fish, nachos, and then in the middle here they have cold salads, meats and cheeses, and some seafood. And then on the far side, looks like they have their dessert and their fruits. So I was just talking to one of the workers. He said that just over here where we just were, outside, that's the smoking area. If you have your buffet food, you can go to the smoking area. And then just behind us here, indoors, that's the non-smoking area for the buffet. This buffet is for lunch and dinner. Just behind these stairs here we're going up is the buffet we just came from. And we're going upstairs to the Solarium. So here's the Solarium. Wow, cool. So you can get all the way up here. And then when you look over this way, you get cool views of the entire ocean. Wow. Oh my gosh. You're like surrounded by ocean here. It's so neat. Wow. Hola! Wow, look at that. Whew. Do you think they do like parties up here?
It would be cool if they did.
Yeah, because there's like a little bar like with a tap and sink set up there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so they have like water. So they can probably put in like bar and drinks and stuff, and people can party up here, right?
Really nice.
Cool. And these are probably premium guest rooms here. They're all ocean view, right? So, wow. I like it here.
On the other side?
I think there was. I just can't remember when we walked in. And then this will be RIU Cancun?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah, just beside it. And then here is the main pool. So again, like we said before, this is one of the pool bars called Can. And then over here, there's a swim-up bar called Kun. So we got Can, Kun. All right, so coming from up there, the Solarium, and swinging around here, here's the beach right over there, and we'll go down there in just a second. And then the other main pool here, just in front of the resort. So that's where we came out the doors from the lobby. We came around this way to all the a la carte restaurants, and then the main pool is right here, the beach is right here, and then over this way would be the pool bar and the other pool. Okay, so now we're down on the main level. This is the beach and then the main pool. If we swing around back, this is the steps we came down from the Solarium. If you tuck in around here, this is where the spa is. So down there is where the spa and the gym is. Okay, so let's take a quick peek down there. Hi! Alright, so there it is. This is the entrance for the gym, salon, and spa. It's called Renova. Alright, so we're on the main beach area now, just up on the upper landing of the beach. And if you turn all the way around here, so this will be the main beach here, main pool. And if you look way down there in the distance, it's tough to see. That's the RIU Palace Peninsula. That's where we're staying right there. And then lastly to mention, this is the spot where you can get your towels from, the towel exchange for the pool towels. And there's RIU Palace Las Americas. Look at the view. So look at way over there, like right on the edge of the building, right here.
Yeah.
What do you see right there?
RIU Palace Peninsula.
Yeah, that's our resort right there. Point to it. Right. Right. There, that's it. Okay, so now, this is where we were standing earlier, just looking at the RIU Palace Peninsula and looking over the beach. This is the main pool here, and turning around this way, this is the theater for the RIU Palace Las Americas. So obviously there's another bar here in the theater, and lots of seating inside here. And this is where your trip vendor would sit if you want to book excursions or find out flight times and things like that. And here's the theater. It looks like the theater is called La Nuit.
Sí, a ese número, por favor. Entonces, cuando puedan, para yo ya tener...
And then here we are back at the main lobby. So back in the lobby now, I went all the way to, if you were walking in from the pool, the left side of the lobby. And this is where the Italian restaurant's located. So here's the Italian restaurant. Hola! And then here's the menu for the Italian restaurant. And then swinging around looking towards the main lobby area, just to the left here is the Cappuccino Bar, where you can get coffees, pastries, desserts, just like we have back at RIU Palace Peninsula. Okay, so we just got back from the different RIU resorts around Cancun. We went to RIU Palace Las Americas, RIU Cancun, and actually that's it, isn't it? We just went to the two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't been to the Caribe yet.
No, but Mona's parents went to the Caribe and they said it wasn't as nice as the other three resorts. So our recommendation is number one, we would say that the Peninsula is the best. We like that, our resort, just the space. The pools, the beach is really nice. Everything seems so nice and spread out, and the decoration, the lobby, everything. Just we like everything about the peninsula the best. Our number two choice would be RIU Palace Las Americas. We like the decor there, sort of the more wooden colonial vibe, and just the way the pools are kind of separated. It's really almost like the RIU Palace Peninsula, but it's just a different kind of decor. But it's a little bit more compact, it's a little bit more, there's a little less space with everything around. And the beach is a bit smaller too, so you might feel a little bit more like congested. So if you want a bit more room, come to the RIU Palace Peninsula. And then number three, and this is if you want to save a little bit of money, is the RIU Cancun. So RIU Cancun is a little bit more spread out, but it's kind of a longer resort and a shorter resort. So it's spread out a little bit longer on the beach, and it's got two pools. We saw one pool that was closed, and then another pool where like the swim up bar and the pool bar is. But it has pretty much similar stuff as the other two palaces that we kind of checked out and we're staying at here. But it just seems a little bit lesser quality, not as luxurious, and also there's kids at that resort as well, so kids can come to that resort. And RIU Palace Las Americas is adults only. One really cool thing about RIU Cancun is like in the lobby, they have really big windows and a sort of a corner window where the two windows come together, and you can sit there and take a look at the ocean, and there's some seagulls like having a bath in the fountain right outside our where we're having a drink there, and it was really cool to see. And it's really neat because you can have like a nice kind of 360, or not a 360, but like a 180 panoramic kind of view of the ocean from where you're sitting. So I thought that was pretty cool at Cancun. Cool. So if you're coming down to Cancun, you want to stay at one of the RIU hotels, we definitely recommend the RIU Palace Peninsula. It's really spread out nicely. It's got a great beach, great food, and great pools. So we definitely recommend that. And if you're looking for a modern kind of touch, the RIU Palace Peninsula will check your boxes. If you're looking for more like older colonial kind of look and feel, definitely the RIU Palace Las Americas will be the one you want to stay at, and that's more quieter and adults only. Okay. And if you're looking for more of a party resort, definitely RIU Cancun. And the RIU Caribe, which is just next door to our resort Peninsula, is more geared towards families. They actually have like a whole outdoor water park kind of playground with like floaty structures that kids can play on in the ocean. So that one's more for like families. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at some of the other RIUs in Cancun, and hit the thumbs up button if you liked looking at the different hotels here. And feel free to subscribe if you want to see the rest of our videos from Cancun and some of the adventures and things we did here while we were in Mexico. And also other hotel tours that we're going to be doing in the near future. And yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. See ya.